Guys, today I want to do a little bit better overview of the brand new Blackstone pellet and griddle combo. I feel like I did you guys a disservice and didn't really put much effort into it, and I apologize, okay? It's Jacob's fault. Just saying, just saying. Just don't drop my camera, okay? So guys, I want to give you a better overview of this griddle because number one, I've cooked on it already a couple times. We've got, I don't know how, 3, 4, 5, no, probably 5 or 6 cooks on it. Did 2 briskets on it, did really well. Now I've got a little bit, I got my legs under me, okay? I got my legs under me. And so today I want to outline this awesome unit. This is a Lowe's exclusive item, so you got to go to Lowe's or Lowe's.com to pick one of these up. So feel free to go over there, check it out, or go to your Lowe's, kick the tires on one, all right? So we're gonna start off with the griddle. So with Blackstone griddle, you start off with the griddle, okay? So you got a 22-inch griddle. I've gotten some folks that says, Hussey, that sure is small. Honestly, y'all, it really isn't. This is a little bit larger than a typical 22. I can't remember how much larger, but we have 484 square inches of cooking space here, which is a pretty good amount. I mean, honestly, you don't have this big of a pan in your house on a dang stove, okay? So Billy, Bob, Johnny, whoever you are, just, you know, stop it, stop. Got a folding hood, okay? Hinged hood, nice. Rear grease management system, which is pretty nice. I know a lot of people say they don't like the rear grease. I like it. It's out of the way. There's not a hole here, there's not a hole there. It doesn't really mess with your space at all for me, okay? 2 nice knobs, press them in, turn them, press them in, turn them, and then your igniter here is on the middle, in the middle. Pretty dang cool. It would light, but I had to gank my propane tank for the Ligero pizza oven over there. So you just have to imagine a propane tank sitting right here, but it's actually over there because I'm getting a little low on propane. But needless to say, it's got a nice little indention for you to put your propane tank. This is a pretty cool little reinvented, it's kind of like a latch, kind of latches the propane tank into itself, and it holds it there pretty sturdy. Over here, I got this thing on, it's smoking a little bit over here. Got me. Folding side shelf, okay? I got this paper towel holder. It folds out of the way if you don't want it there. Goes out like that. This is a trash can or trash bag holder. It folds out as well. So if you don't want it, you want to store it or whatever, easy as that. No big deal, right? Pretty dang cool. Casters, 4 of them, and they all lock. So you can lock it right in place and it ain't going nowhere, okay? Got the omnivore plate, brand new redesigned omnivore plate to be a lot more efficient. It heats up better, heats more evenly, all right? It's got integrated wind guards, so you don't have to add an additional accessory to it. You can see over here on the side, it has them as well. Makes it really nice, especially if you're cooking in some crazy environments. All right, we're gonna close the door on this one. We did a smoked smash burgers on that. I think it did a really good job. I think we did 8 patties on that, and we had room probably to do a few more. So we did doubles on that. Check out that video. Up in that iCard up here or down below into the description. Oh, I didn't want you to go in there yet. Coming over here to the pellet grill, which is what a lot of people are talking about. So far, this pellet grill has done really well for me. I've enjoyed it. I really like that you can put it up against something. You don't want to get it too close, but it has this rolling door, okay? And makes it really nice because you don't have one hinge door that has to go all the way up and may hit your side of your house or your porch or whatever. I mean, there's space constraints everywhere, okay? Also, you see there's no smokestack here. You got all these cool little holes where it vents out of. And I honestly think that, especially with that brisket that we pulled off, it really done well. Sometimes you don't get a very good color with pellet grills. So maybe that helps with the convection and make how the smoke kind of turns and turbulences, okay? I don't know. I'm not a, what kind of engineer would that be, Jacob? Smoke engineer? I don't know. I feel like that's one of those like smoke shop guys, you know. It's a smoke engineer. Yeah. Oh, pretty cool. Look at this little That right there, slicker than cat snot right there, I'm gonna tell you. It latches, that's what I like, so you don't put your stuff on here and it's not gonna lay on the dang ground whenever, cause it fell. I know Maggie girl, she would absolutely love that. Well, she ain't even listening to us right now. She's 2 sheets in the wind over there. 2 little latches up under here. Just hit them with your fingers, and it goes down. Stores out of place. Got some options here for some storage. It's got 1 rack, and then the bottom of the grill. Okay, magnetic strip where it'll close. It closes. No big deal. Talk about the controller. Really neat controller. Has an app. Has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Okay. It's got 4 ports here. 2 probes come with it. Optional to add 2 more so you can monitor all those groceries you got on that thing, okay? The app is really nice, really simple to use. It's kind of no frills. I think they're planning on adding on to that, which is cool too. Hopper holds 20 pounds of pellets, and 20 pounds goes a really long way. I've been cooking on this thing all night. I cooked 2 briskets overnight, and I still have some in there. Can't really see it back here, but it's the on-off switch, and there's a door that you can flip out of the way if you want to change out your pellets, clean out that pellet and put new pellets of a different kind in there. So it makes a really nice little pellet clean out. Now we're going to go to the meat and taters of this thing, and that is the chamber, cooking chamber. Now, forgive me. We've been cooking on this thing. It's a little dirty, all right, but that's okay. I bet you those dang Andersons, I bet you if they came over, they'd be like, that thing's dirty, you need to clean that thing. Well, I don't know where my brush is. I think the dang dogs have taken off with my brush. But we'll get it, ain't no big deal. So what you're looking here in the cooking chamber is 884 square inches of cooking space. Again, I put 2 briskets on here just fine. It's got plenty. It's got this neat little handy dandy unit up on top here. Let me tell you what, this is slick. So it folds out of the way, so it has these clips over here, but it folds down. So it's like a three-way, what they call it, 3-way, something like that. So you bring that down, you bring that there, and voila, you just got more space, y'all. Dang it, boy. You ready? You're done with it? Bring that up just like that, latch it, and it's out of the way. You can see she's smoking up a little bit. Smoke's really good. For pellet grills, generally, a lot of people say they don't produce a lot of smoke. This right here seems to do pretty good so far. I mean, look at this. These are some pretty dang sweet hooks, man. That's all I forgot. I felt like my first video of this just kind of fell flat just a little bit, and I wanted to do a little bit better of an overview. So I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. Y'all head over to Lowe's. Go check this out for yourself. Got a question, drop me a line. But hey, this thing is so easy, Jacob can even cook on this thing. How about that? Hey, I appreciate you. Love you. Until next time, Hungry Hussey's out.